do chart patterns work, or do I say what's the best strategy to use or something like that? So what I would simply tell you is that there is really no best strategy per se, because some of us are in this endless journey looking for strategies that work or the best strategy to use and something like that. I honestly tell you that you won't find a strategy that is 100% accurate. The best you can do for yourself is to find a strategy that works at least 50% of the time. And if you find a strategy that works at least 50% of the time, what you should do with that strategy is to back test it, forward test it, and stick with it. Okay, because you got to understand that trading is a numbers game, and you win by understanding that fact. Okay, now this is some really good trade idea that I have on here on AUD USD. I have some other pairs, but I'm going to be showing you AUD USD now, and then we'll check Euro USD, and I think we'll also check GBP JPY as well. So let me run through it, guys. Now, looking at AUD USD, it has come to a significant price level. Checking from the daily perspective. So what I'll quickly do now, I'll scale up to the weekly time frame, and then let's see what we have on here. On the weekly, we just came to a significant price level. Right about now, we are seeing some really nice rejections from the downside to this Friday, and the candle is about to close nicely bullish. So checking out from the daily, we can easily spot out we have some really nice inverse head and shoulder pattern. Remember that inverse head and shoulder pattern doesn't have to be perfect as you have seen it on textbook. I barely use patterns or chart patterns, but if I see it like that, that's what I see, and I'll try to utilize it. But purely analyzing what we have here on the market structure or whatsoever, you can easily see that this market came down to create a low right about here and struggled to pass the low right around here. And then we saw this bullish momentum to the upside and price stopping right about here. Now we are creating some higher low points about here. So if the price should take out this high, of which I'm sure price is going to take out this previous high, then we could see that we are creating a higher high, and then we could expect some nice higher low point just like that. It's just what we are seeing right about now in the market is just a quick retracement. Like we are just going to have some pullback on the daily time frame. That is exactly what we are having now. Some really nice pullback. So that's that for AUD USD. What's my upside target for this one? I'm looking at this trend line aligning right around here. I see a confluence there. I think the market is going to push all the way there, and then we could see some further drop to the downside, checking out from larger perspective. But if we break through, I'll look for price to take out this high, and ultimately we could bounce from here back to the downside, guys. So that's all I think I have for AUD USD. It's a very simple setup. You can see how this bullish candle that is here is overturning, I think, these three candles down here. So that's a very good sign that this market is set to continue to the upside, and I wouldn't want you missing out on every move that we have on here. So let's quickly check Euro USD, and we can see almost similar thing on Euro USD. I remember having an analysis right around here when I saw the breakout about here. I thought we were going to get the retest just around here and then the bounce to the upside, but that was not the case. The market fell further over FOMC news that happened on Wednesday, and now we are seeing some nice momentum to the upside after NFP. So what I simply think this market is due for, right around when I saw this higher low point for me, taking out this recent high on the 4 hours time frame, I saw a counter trend break of something like this. That was when I knew that okay, this market could be set for a retracement. Like there are types of retracement, guys. There's a deep retracement, like a very, very deep retracement. So I knew that I could be expecting a deep retracement right about now. So that is exactly what we are going to see sooner or later, a very deep retracement. Price could come as far as taking out these highs that we have at 1.01 and come into 1.03. So I think we could see the price push all the way to 1.03. Lastly, on GBP JPY, guys. So what I have on here on GBP JPY, I can pretty much see some really nice structure. The market is very much bullish on the daily time frame. You can see we have a high around here. We had a higher low point here, higher low point, and then we put in a higher high. So price has failed to break this higher low point. Until we see price come below here, that is when I can then flip bearish. But right about now, I'm seeing some really nice bounce off here, and I think we are going to continue to the upside based off of the daily time frame. So let me drop down to the 4 hour time frame. And remember, guys, I used to post analysis saying that my ultimate target for this guy is at 175, and we are coming really close to 175, which is right about here. So that's my ultimate target. That's been my target for over 3 months now, at 175 flat, guys. So we are coming really close now to 175, and I think it's time to pay attention because there are going to be some really nice momentum coming into 175 before we could see some consolidation before the next drop, guys. So on to the 4 hour time frame now. Pretty much nice. We have held above this level of support that you see here, support, and it was a resistance right around here, and now it's holding as support again. So you could see the price push all the way up from here next week. So I think that's all I have for now, guys. Until next time, trade safe.